Okay, we're going to get a little bit more practice here in question 15 and 16 with the process of completing the square. So on question 15 and 16, all we really want you to do is come up with this third term and then show how it factors. And again, it's going to factor into a binomial times itself. So on this one, again, the process to find this third term is you take half of the b, which in this case is 5, okay, and that's not going to come out nice, so we could just write that as 5 halves, okay, and then once you get the half of the b term, you're going to square that, which in this case is going to be 25 fourths, okay, so this will be 25 fourths here. Then once you have your third term, you're going to go ahead and factor. Remember, the first term here is going to get you the first term there, and then it's going to be identical to itself, so that's going to be an x. Remember, the outers and the inners have to get you the correct middle term. Since the middle term is positive, this is going to be a positive. And then the last term here has to get you the last term here, so it's going to be what times itself gets you 25 fourths, which you'll recall right here in the middle, we actually squared it, so it's got to be 5 halves. Okay. Now, you could do this problem using decimals as well. In this case, this would have been 2.5 squared. Okay, and then this would have been 6.25. So this here could have been 6.25, and this term here could have been 2.5. Okay, we would accept either answer there. Okay, on 16, we're going to go through the same process. We're going to go half of 8, and when you take half of 8, that gets you 4. Then we're going to square the 4, and you get 16. So this is going to be a 16 here. And then we're looking for a term times itself. So again, the first term here has to get you the first term here. That's x. Since the middle term is minus, this has to be minus. And then what times itself gets you 16? Of course, that's 4.